Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to turn off Family Parental Controls in Play Store. Sometimes you might want to remove restrictions on your Play Store account, especially if parental controls are no longer needed or if you've grown older and want full access. Turning off Family Parental Controls is quick and easy. Here's how you can do it. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner to access your account settings. Next, tap on Settings to see all available options. Now, select Family from the menu. Here, tap on Parental Controls to open the restriction settings. Turn the parental controls toggle off. You will then be asked to enter your PIN to confirm the change. Once you've entered your PIN and turned off the controls, all restrictions will be removed. You'll now have full access to download any apps, games, or media without limits. You can also revisit these settings anytime if you want to turn the controls back on or adjust content restrictions. This is especially useful for older kids or anyone who wants to enjoy the full Play Store experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.